Welcome to 321 Photoshop. I'm Julianne Cost. Here are several tips for working with guides in Photoshop. First, let's show our rulers using the shortcut Command R on Mac or Control R on Windows. Then, to change the units of measurements, I'll right-click in the ruler area and select inches. To add our first guide, I'll click and drag from the ruler area into the document. If I hold down the Shift key, Photoshop will snap the guides to the ruler tick marks. Once I've released the guide, I can position the Move tool above the guide and then drag to reposition. To toggle the orientation of the guide, hold Option on the Mac or Alt on Windows while dragging either in the document area or from the ruler. To change the color of a guide, choose the Preferences and either select a color from the drop-down menu or click on the color swatch. To place a guide at a specific location, choose View, New Guide, type the value, and then enter the unit of measurement. To add multiple guides at once, choose New Guide Layout, then enter the number of columns and rows, determine the width or add gutters, even add margins, center columns, and clear existing guides if desired. To reuse the guides in multiple images, save the guides as a preset. To delete a guide, either drag it back to the ruler area or choose the View menu and then Clear Guides. To create guides based on the contents of a layer, choose View, New Guide from Shape. To toggle the visibility of guides, use the shortcut Command semicolon on Mac, Control semicolon on Windows, and then tap it again to bring them back. Finally, when changing the image size of a document, use View, Lock Guides to lock the guides at their exact numerical values, or choose to unlock the guides to resize them proportionally within the document.